Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on? Good morning. Welcome back to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. And here is your quote for today. If you took all your DNA, straightened it out and put it end to end, it would stretch to Jupiter and back 10 times over. You are neither small nor insignificant. You're just very well folded. It's hard to imagine, but all that DNA really does exist inside you. There is so much about you that you don't even really know or even understand. Regardless of any put down, you are important. You are significant. You mean a lot to people despite what you think or even feel. Those who do put you down and put doubt in your mind really don't matter. Or are they actually really that important? Keep going strong and keep well folded.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.